Hello guys, welcome to the Get Free Crypto YouTube channel. So in our channel you will get premium bounty reviews, the projects that have a lot of potential, so we review them here on our channel. If you want to keep yourself updated from this type of projects that have high potential, kindly subscribe our channel to get latest updates. So today we are going to talk about coin dogs, where you can breed, personalize and raise your dogs. So basically this project is for the dog lovers, the people who love dogs, and they can buy a virtual dog or an NFT which is available online on Ethereum blockchain, where you can raise them, and there will be total 10,000 dogs available, where you can raise your dogs, and if you win you will get some tokens or rewards. So you can join whitelist now. You can buy and sell dogs with our community, take part in races, create collections and earn rewards, breed adorable dogs. So what is coin dogs? So coin dogs is a blockchain based game for people who love dogs. Already I told you, races and NFTs. It is a multiplayer game where you can raise or buy a virtual dog, participate in races against the other dogs for fun and profit, and create your own NFT collections. All coin dogs pass their unique DNA to children via crossover. No two dogs are look alike. So simply click on get your own dog and it will get you to this page. The real dog, there will be a 26% of dog tokens which are for sale and on pink sale launchpad. A total of 1 billion is initial supply. 14% will be locked in liquidity for 1 year. 1 year 20% invested and no taxes. See more info here. Check their MVPs, and let's talk about what can you do with the cute dog. You can race by race your coin dogs against other player dogs for fun and win coin to redeem them into gifts. Collect. You can breed, collect your own army of coin dogs. You can get as many as breeds as you want and add them to your dog army. And personalize. You have a huge variety of special accessories of dogs. Choose the coolest to make him look awesome like this. So why should be the first? There will be only 10,000 Genesis dogs available. After minting your Generation Zero dogs, you will be able to play and earn coin dogs. New players will have to buy a breed your Generation Zero in order to play. Two Generation Zero dogs are needed for breeding, and only these dogs will be breedable. As Generation Zero dog owner, this is structure various. So this is the structure how you will earn. First of all, you can play and earn on coin dogs. You can sell on NFT marketplace like OpenSea. You can rent your dogs for breeding to new players. So how gameplay will work? There will be 7 dog in race, and first place will earn 3x dog coins. Second player win 2.5x dog coin. Third place will 1.5x dog coin. And more, you can also read more things there. There are already 100 plus accessories which you can get for your dog. Special characteristics, how there are 1% coin dogs transactions, 1% for fearless money badger, the exclusive Satoshi Uniga werewolves and Holland. Many things available on this platform you can read here. Also you can check out, there will be a pre-sale price of 1 BNB is equal to 52,000 dog coin, and post pre-sale is 1 BNB is to 50,000 dog coins. So you can also read everything about coin dogs. Their products are coin dogs, token dog and dog city, which is coming soon in future. More and more things coming on this platform. Also their bounties running. If you are interested, the link is given down below. Simply join them. Thanks for watching.